This video will demonstrate how to answer, make, and manage calls using Bria. The version you see in this video is Bria 3 for Mac. The Windows version is extremely similar and functions the same. When a call comes in, you will see the call status box change as well as a pop-up on your screen. You can press the green phone button to accept the call, the gray arrow button to transfer, or the red phone button to decline the call. The mute button, which has a microphone icon, allows you to mute your microphone so the caller cannot hear you. When the green light is displayed, this indicates the caller can hear you. When you click the button to mute, a red slash will appear. Click the button again to unmute your microphone. The hold button, which has a pause icon, allows you to place the caller on hold. When you place the caller on hold, you will see this button change to a play icon. Press this button to resume the call. The transfer button, which has a phone and arrow icon, allows you to transfer the caller to another extension. When you press this button, the caller will be placed on hold and a text box will appear. Within this text box, you can enter the number of the extension that you would like to transfer to. You can transfer immediately by pressing the transfer button. Alternatively, you can do an announce transfer by pressing the down arrow button and selecting call. When you press call, another line option will open up, and once you have announced the transfer, you can press transfer to send or X to cancel. The video button, which has a camera icon, will allow you to initiate a video call if the other caller supports this. If you would like to bring your caller into a conference call, click the arrow next to the disconnect button and click invite to conference call. A text box will appear that will allow you to add another extension or number. Enter the number and press the add button. During a conference call, you can press the down arrow next to a number to either separate it from the conference or remove it from the call. To end a call, press the red phone button and the call will be disconnected. To start a new call, enter the extension or number you wish to call. You can press the call button to start a regular call, or the down arrow and then select audio call, video call, or start conference call. Once you have established the call, you will see all of the previously mentioned options available. The volume slider allows you to change the volume at which Bria rings, as well as the in-call volume. The dial pad button, which has a dial pad icon, allows you to enter the number you wish to call by clicking instead of typing. The video button turns on video calling by default. The speakerphone button, which has a phone with waves icon, turns on speakerphone mode, which will use your built-in microphone and speakers. The voicemail button, which has a tape icon, displays how many voicemails you have and allows you to dial directly to voicemail. The missed call button, which has a phone icon with a bouncing arrow, displays how many missed calls you have, and when you click it, takes you directly to the missed calls section. The Auto Answer button, which has a lightning bolt icon, turns on automatic answering. The Anonymous button, which allows you to The Anonymous button, which has an empty silhouette icon, prevents your caller ID from being displayed when you call out. The Letters to Numbers button, which has an A2 icon, allows you to type letters and have them automatically converted to the corresponding numbers. The Contacts tab allows you to add in frequently called contacts. You can add a new contact by pressing the icon that has a silhouette with a plus symbol. Once here, you can enter the display name, first and last names, as well as any numbers for this person. When adding an extension from your account, be sure to use the soft phone contact type. Press OK to create the contact. The Favorites tab allows you to add in your most called contacts. You can add users to this list by right-clicking their entry on the Contacts tab and selecting Add to Favorites. The History tab allows you to view calls that have come to your extension, including dialed, received, and missed calls.